In this video, we'll look at how to use the Stats Tabular option to translate your matrix search results into statistical information. Begin by selecting the matrix search option from the MLS Listings Pro homepage. From here, input your search criteria and then select Results. Now that you've ran your search, click on the Stats button and select the Tabular option. This will display the basic statistics of your search results. Note that the minimum and maximum lines do not represent one listing, but the high and low values from your entire search results. Below that will be the statistical average from your search results. The total number of search results is displayed in parentheses next to each individual status, with the all status combining the data. Select the basic median option to display the median as well as the average. The by market area option will break down the results by MLS area. Note that the numbers in parentheses represent the specific number of listings that the data was comprised from within your search results. The next filter will display the data by status and price. You can see that I had 380 sold listings in my search results. One of those solds was listed between 600 to 700,000, 8 of them between 700 and 800,000, and so on. The last option of grouping the data is by status and type. This view will display data for each status type you searched for, but in addition, we'll separate each status by the property's subtype, such as single family or condo townhouse, and any other property types you included in your matrix search. To go back to your search results, just click on the back button. The Stats Tabular option can also be found on the map search page. Use your cutting tools to cut out neighborhoods, and then once again select the Stats Tabular option to see the statistical breakdown of the specific area you've cut out. Make sure to watch our Matrix 201 video for more information on using the matrix map search, its cutting tools and layering capabilities. Make sure to check out our Pro Support page for additional videos on a full range of topics. And don't forget to click that subscribe button on our MLS Listings YouTube page.